All right, good morning. Hey, we're out here at a new pour this morning. Of course, you can tell, well, it's around 7 o'clock. They've already gotten a lot of concrete poured. Basically, it's pretty simple. On the exterior porches, we're standing on a porch right now. There's 12 inch by 12 inch exterior footings. There's piers. This is relatively new dirt work, and in that case, you have to put piers going down to undisturbed soil to support the slab.
That's right.
Underneath, they're pouring the footings first. Underneath the exterior there, that's where the log walls will sit. And those are 12 by 16 perimeter footings. And then there's a lot of interior footings on this house. This is a modified Yana Creek. If you look at our website, the floor plan's there.
Yeah. So on those interior footings that Jeff is talking about, those are 12 by 12 as well, just like the porches. So you can see they got the roughed-in plumbing in. Got the rebar in there. The pump truck, we typically use a pump truck about 95% of the time. It's a lot more efficient for the crew, makes everything a lot easier, especially on a tight job site. So
makes for a better pour. They can pour it a lot quicker, saves on labor, so it's well worth the money. It only on a real small slab where you could get all the way around, we wouldn't have a pump truck, but those are pretty remarkable machines. How far they can boom out, and you have to think that's pumping concrete through that pipe, the amount of weight that's supporting, and can boom out and pour.
Pretty cool getting to see kind of behind the scenes of how these slabs get poured. A lot of people had never seen this happen before, so we wanted to kind of get out here early this morning and let you kind of see behind the scenes. While the concrete crew finishes this slab, let's talk about foundations. On level ground, a concrete slab is usually the most cost-efficient foundation. Because log walls are massive, super strong, and solid, most people are surprised to learn that foundations for Satterwhite log homes are not highly specialized. Fact is, the weight of log walls is about the same as standard residential construction. Thanks to the special properties of dead standing timber, foundation design is another huge benefit of building with Satterwhite. Our house logs are made from only dead standing trees killed by natural causes. You get all the strength of log construction, plus lightweight and confidence of environmental benefit. Thousands of Satterwhite log homes have been built across the United States, with many more around the world. No matter where you build, Satterwhite log homes are easily adapted to the foundation system that is best for local conditions. The fact that your Satterwhite log home can be built by local tradesmen with only slight modification of locally preferred foundation construction helps keep the cost of your log home as low as possible.
All right, here we go, finishing up the first load. This job site's kind of tight, so using a smaller truck, a bobtail, which is pretty typical on a lot of our job sites. Derek Kuhn is our driver. He's been with the company over 30 years. Just like me and him came on about the same time, so he really knows his stuff when it comes to what the crews want, where they want it. As you can see, he's not double stacking any of the material. You could imagine a crew getting out here and having stacks of materials and having to cut the top bands and try to get that material down. So just things to think about, especially if you're building it yourself. Plus, of course, Derek knows all the crews and knows where each one wants materials placed. Just makes it a lot more convenient for the crew. Here we are about 7 hours later. Slab's complete, concrete crew finished up. Amazing timing on a pour this quick. Now, one thing to look at is are the anchor bolts. They're set in the concrete at certain heights. When you're looking at building one of our homes, and if you buy one, you want to be sure if you're doing your own concrete or have another concrete crew doing it, that you get the information and specs on how and where those anchor bolts need to be. Past that, of course, it's a hot, humid day. Customers, well, a neat deal, customers over there putting their initials in the slab. But one important thing with weather being this hot, after, I'd say, tomorrow morning, the customer's going to start watering the slab, keeping that slab moist, slowing down the curing of the slab. That'll reduce how many hairline cracks we're doing. Delivering material right now, actually the crew is starting on Saturday, going to work Saturday through next Friday, and by next Friday, we'll probably have the logs up. So anyway, real productive day. Appreciate y'all joining in. If y'all have any questions, call our office. One other note I forgot is if you look around the slab, no plumbing in the exterior walls. So every once in a blue moon, we have customers that have a plumber that plumbs in the exterior walls. Of course, with a solid exterior log, that's kind of a no-no. You need to set it in at least 4 inches. But anyway, appreciate y'all joining in again, and have a great day.